In today's video, we will show you the world's most deadliest animal ever. You have to see this to believe it. Number 10. Mosquito. We all know how dangerous mosquitoes can be. They are responsible for more human deaths than any other animal on the planet. Malaria, West Nile virus, yellow fever, Zika virus, dengue fever, and many other diseases are transmitted by these little bloodsuckers. According to the World Health Organization, there are around 725,000 deaths per year that are caused by mosquitoes. And even though they only make up 1% of the world's insect population, they are definitely the most dangerous. Number 9. Box jellyfish. This one is found in both the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It gets its name from the box-like shape of its bell and the cube-shaped cells that it uses to capture its prey. The box jellyfish is considered to be the most venomous creature on the planet. Its venom is so strong that it can kill a person within minutes. There was even a case where a box jellyfish ended up killing a swimmer despite being only 60 feet away from the shore. That's how dangerous these animals are. Number 8. Humans. Even though we like to think of ourselves as highly intelligent creatures, we are actually quite dangerous. In just 1 year, humans kill each other in numbers that are just mind-boggling. According to some reports, more than 6 million people die at the hands of other humans every single year. We go to great lengths to defend ourselves against wild animals, yet we don't even try to protect ourselves from each other. What kind of sick world is this? Number 7. Hippopotamus. Hippos are known to be one of the most aggressive animals in Africa. They usually don't attack humans unless they feel threatened or are protecting their young. But when they do attack, things can get bad really quickly. Hippos kill around 500 people every year in Africa, mostly because they come out of their hiding places at night to look for food. Since they are almost blind at night, they end up bumping into people and then things get violent. Number 6. Saltwater crocodile. When you hear the word crocodile, the first thing that comes to your mind is danger. These reptiles are some of the most vicious predators in the world and are capable of killing just about anything, humans included. In 2006, a saltwater crocodile killed a woman in Australia. The crocodile dragged her underwater and then ate her alive. There was no way anyone could have saved her. Saltwater crocodiles are also known to be very territorial. If you enter their space, they will attack you without warning. Number 5. African elephant. Elephants are normally gentle giants, but when they become enraged, they can be extremely deadly. Their size and strength make them very dangerous, and they can easily trample you to death. African elephants kill between 200 and 300 people every year. Usually this happens when people try to poach them, or when they accidentally invade their territory. Elephants are also very protective of their young, so if you go anywhere near their babies, you are asking for trouble. Number 4. Great white shark. Great white sharks are one of the most feared creatures in the ocean, and for good reason. They are responsible for more attacks on humans than any other species of shark. In 2003, a great white shark killed a woman while she was surfing in South Africa. The shark bit off her right arm and then proceeded to eat her alive. That is some next-level viciousness. Even though great white sharks are very dangerous, they still shouldn't be hunted. If we keep killing them, they might eventually end up extinct. Number 3. Cyanobacteria. This one might surprise you since it isn't an animal, but bacteria can be very dangerous as well. Cyanobacteria are found in both salt and fresh water and can form toxic blooms that are harmful to humans and animals alike. In 2013, a woman died after swimming in a lake that was filled with cyanobacteria. Her skin started to burn and then she went into shock. This type of bacteria can also contaminate drinking water, which can lead to serious health problems like liver damage and even cancer. Number 2. Tsetse fly. This fly is found in Africa and is responsible for the deaths of over 200,000 people every year. It carries a parasite that causes a sleeping sickness, which can be fatal to humans and livestock. Once you're infected with the parasite, you start to experience symptoms like a fever, headaches, and confusion. As the disease progresses, you may become paralyzed and go into a coma. There is no cure for sleeping sickness, so once you get it, you might as well start saying your prayers. Number 1. Vampire squid. This is one of the most terrifying creatures in the ocean, and it's also one of the most dangerous. The vampire squid lives up to its name by feeding on the blood of other animals. It can detect the electrical signals that living creatures give off, and then it strikes. The vampire squid is able to suck the blood out of its prey, leaving it completely drained. These creatures are normally around 6 inches long, but there have been cases where they have grown to over 3 feet. Just imagine getting attacked by a giant vampire squid while you're swimming in the ocean. It would be like something straight out of a horror movie. Thanks for watching. See you next time.